Meaning of fibrin.
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 Fibrin. Fibrin is a fibrous protein that is essential to blood clotting. When an injury occurs, fibrinogen in the blood is converted into fibrin by a chemical reaction involving an enzyme called thrombin. The fibrin molecules then come together to form a mesh-like network of fibers that trap blood cells and platelets, forming a clot that stops bleeding. This process, known as coagulation, helps to prevent excessive blood loss and allows damaged tissues to heal. Without fibrin, the body would be unable to properly respond to injuries and wounds.